In this VibeTester video, we're going to show you how to generate AI test cases using your own LLM and integrate seamlessly with the Xray Test Management tool. So we're going to start by going to the VibeTester app settings. This can be found by clicking on the settings and going to the Marketplace apps. Then clicking on VibeTester. This is where we'll set up the integrations for our own LLM in API keys management, and also the integration details for Xray in the test management integration. As previously mentioned in our quick start video, VibeTester comes with two versions. With the standard version, you'll get a limited number of uses of the default LLM, can be seen here, before you'll need to start using your own LLM. With the advanced version, you'll get unlimited access to AssertThat LLM. So we'll click on Add API Key and select OpenAI as the provider. We'll give it a suitable name. We'll enter the API key, click on Validate, select the model and click Add. I'm also going to select the default button here so that when we're in the issue view, it will be selected by default. You'll also see that we support Claude and Azure. For these, you'll need slightly different LLM details, which will be available from the provider. If you need any support with the setup, then please contact us. Details will be in the video notes. Next, we'll set up the test management integration. VibeTester supports importing test cases natively into Jira and to the test management tools Xray and Zephyr. In this demo, we'll set up Xray. In Xray, go to API keys, which can be seen on this link here, and generate your API credentials. Then you need to go to Add Integration, select the tool name, and enter the API client ID, secrets, and region. Then select the Add button. These settings can now be used across all projects in your Jira instance. What we're going to do now is go to Project Settings and make sure that the plugin is enabled and select the test management integration for the project. So within Space Settings, go to Apps and VibeTester. First thing you'll do is enable the plugin for the projects. And then from the drop-down menu in Test Management Integration, we're going to select Xray. Issue fields for AI context, we're going to leave as the default summary and description. Note, you can add any fields from Jira here, so they will be passed and used to generate the test cases. And we're also going to leave the test case generation rules set to the default values. For information, you can configure the test case generation rules to suit your project requirements, which helps ensure your team generates consistent test cases. We'll now go to the Jira issue view and start generating some test cases. Jira requires Marketplace plugins to be enabled on each Jira ticket. This is a one-time activity. Click on the button here, click on VibeTester, select the three dots, select Show for all work items. VibeTester will now be displayed on all your Jira tickets. Before generating the test cases, we're just going to go through a few options. We're now going to look at some of the VibeTester options before generating the AI test cases. The first one is to select your LLM by default. We've got the own LLM that we configured earlier. In the test format, you've got three options: manual test cases, Cucumber BDD, and generic. We'll leave it with manual to start with. The third option is to add additional context. This can be used to add additional information for the user story, which will be used to generate the test cases. Okay, let's click on Generate AI Test Cases. Unlike other plugins, we ensure the scenarios can be edited and reviewed before importing into your test management tool. This is a key stage, and all AI test cases should be reviewed before importing. We provide comprehensive functionality to support this activity, including moving steps, adding steps, deleting steps. Obviously, you can change the content of the steps, and you can also add new test cases as well. When you're happy with the test cases, simply select Import into Xray. You'll be prompted to select a test set. I'm just going to click the box to say Do not link to a test set and click on Continue. And the tests will import into Xray. Let's take a quick look at one. If we scroll down, we can see the test has been successfully imported into Xray. Okay. Let's go back to the user story. For completeness, VibeTester also generates Cucumber BDD and generic test cases. Take a quick look at those. And the generic ones. And again, these can be imported into Xray just by clicking on the button. We hope you found this video useful. If you do have any questions, please contact us via our support links or marketplace page.